Say he only got one little brother. But I don't like it, I mean, it means that you break your leg.
That boy said he gonna paint her face just like Sting.
Woo! That was a hard ball. These niggas look like they finna go make a science project.
They finna make some meth. Breaking Bad.
Ooh, he just did math on y'all ass. 3 times 3 is 9. He's informational for the young kids.
Yachty Heisenberg. Boy, you can get on your mama couch like that for real.
She gonna shoot your ass out the roof.
I wanna go get somebody else to paint that picture with paintballs.
No, nigga.
Pretty sure they did.
Pretty sure he did. That was a bar.
Yeah. Prison bar. Hard.
This nigga had the all white rollerblades. Fall.
Lil Yachty be going the fuck off.
This shit was cool.
I like that right there though.
Yeah, that shit was cool. The song was cool. The video was cool.
They was having fun.
Y'all listen to how you feel.
Like coming in.
We done sold enough drugs to buy a bicycle. Just me and my niggas sold enough drugs to buy a bicycle. Just me and my niggas sold enough drugs to buy a bicycle. Cold as an icicle, sold enough drugs to buy a bicycle. Just me and my nigga. We ain't gotta steal a bike.